What we're drilling today, it's the loose leg. Now to me, this is the next evolution of the salsa step. We got 3 drills today to help you learn. First, we're gonna drill the feet pattern. Second, we're gonna add the heel pivot or the heel twist. Third, we're gonna add the body rock. If you're new to my channel, I'm Seach, I teach, and I make dance tutorial videos. If you find my videos helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because it really helps with the algorithm. My tutorials are dance-along videos, which means you can practice with me as you watch. You will find my tips and detailed explanation on these drills towards the end of the video. And this is where I share specific techniques on how to overcome common mistakes. Each exercise is about 1 minute, and it's not too long, but enough to build muscle memory. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire video. If you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because building coordination takes time and patience. Okay, if you're ready, I'll see you in the drills. Let's enjoy, have fun, and make it funky. Yeah. Welcome to the review section. Now here we're talking about drill number 1, feet pattern. The loose leg is a modification or an evolution of the salsa step. If you haven't checked out the salsa step, go ahead and do so. Got the link in the description below. Now, quick review. Salsa step, we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From here, the modification is 1 and 2. Notice on the 2 here, side view. 1 and 2. We're tapping. This is a heel tap. Okay, I'm tapping the heel. So I got 1 and 2 and. On the end, I'm bringing it back. So I have 1 and 2 and. Put my weight on my right leg, then my left could step out. 3 and 4. Okay? So, a little bit slow. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So that's a feet pattern. Now in the drill, you see that the first 2/8 count we did at halftime, and then we did the tempo. We kept switching it back so you know how to make sure that you control your tempo. All right. So feet pattern is not too hard. Quick tip: when I start, I have my feet with a little bit of turnout. It's not a huge turnout, right? Just a little bit of turnout. It's definitely not parallel, okay? Have a little bit of turnout. It lets you turn a little bit better. Watch this. So right on the 1, right here on the 1, instead of stepping out this way, there's a little bit of a, you see how it kind of turns this way? 1 and. So I'm preparing my body to turn a little bit. 1 and 2 and. On the, after the 2 and, I make sure my body's turning a little bit, so this allows me to go to the 3, okay? If I go 1 and 2 and right here, then as I step, then I gotta pivot, okay? So what I wanna do is predetermine that I'm gonna go 1 and 2 and. Right on the end, this allows my body to turn a little bit easier, all right? So slowly we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then when we did tempo, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. So again, in this pattern, the goal, what's the goal? The goal is to do the entire drill with me without messing up and making sure that the feet pattern is built into your muscle coordination so you don't mess up, all right? So if you have that down, then you're ready for the next drill. If not, repeat it, rewind it, go over again. Watch the tutorial again, watch this review again, because sometimes when you watch it for the first time, you might miss some gold nuggets that I dropped down, okay? So, but if you have it already, I'll see you in drill number 2. Okay guys, drill number 2, this is where we're introducing the pivot, the heel pivot, or the heel twist, if you will. They're the same thing. It's basically I'm twisting and pivoting off the heel, okay? So this is where it comes in. Right when we start on the 1, right when I step here, I'm adding the extra pivot, okay? So remember from drill 1, I start with my heels out, right? This already kind of reminds me to pivot a little bit more to the same side. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and. So the 2 and is still the same as the first drill, okay? 1 and 2 and 3. So again, we're pivoting from both sides. So right now, the key is after the heel tap, when you come back, you're gonna get ready. Get ready to pivot off that same heel, okay? And what I do is, you notice my arm. I use my arm to help the pivot. If you don't use your arm, you can still do it, but it's kind of hard. So it's easier if you just use the arm to kind of just twist, okay? So let's go halftime. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay? So if we go a little bit faster, the tempo, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Okay? Adding the twist, using the arms to twist. Again, you want to be able to pivot off the heel. Gold nugget here. Don't wear shoes that have good traction, or wear some old shoes, or just try with socks, okay? But be careful, if you just do it with socks, if you keep pivoting off that, you might put a hole in your sock, all right? So again, choose a shoe that has nice, slick bottom where you can pivot off of it, okay? One more time, real quick. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get that pattern down. The heel twist is a little bit difficult if you've never done it before, but have fun with this one. If you got it down, then I'll see you in drill number 3. If not, rewind it. Doesn't matter how long it takes. Get it before you move on. All right, if you made it this far, you're ready for drill number 3. Hopefully you guys are sticking around and make sure you understand this real carefully. Now, if you haven't checked out the cross step section, this is pretty much like the cross step section where we're adding that body rock, all right? The rocking of the body, the difference between the oscillation between the chest and the hip. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, all right? So we're adding that in on top of what we did on drill number 2, okay? So here we go, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Remember the cross step. We did the cross step, and if you haven't checked out the cross step, it's in the link in the description below. Check out the cross step because it will really help you. Cross step, we have 1 and 2, where we actually cross. This time, we're going 1 and 2. We're doing a heel tap on that 2, but this rock is still there, okay? So it's still there. So definitely, you want to make sure your body's dancing with that rock. Be able to isolate the rock and add it in. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and, okay? So adding the rock, it's a little bit more difficult. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot more difficult, at least for me when I first learned it. The reason why is because your balance, because when you're doing this, balance gets easily compromised, and when it's easily compromised, it's really easy to lose your balance and, you know, step off beat and whatnot. So make sure, if you need to, hold on to a wall, hold on to something for support, get your balance right. Do it, you know, do it halftime. That's why I have the halftime in there, and then I have the tempo. So for those that, you know, can't do the tempo part, just do the slow part first. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then when it goes to the fast part, kind of just take a break, okay? Let the video go through, and then when the slow part comes, catch on again. Just to drill it like that, all right? Otherwise, instead of just stopping and rewinding the whole time, just let the other half go. It kind of gives you time to catch your breath and refocus, and then do the halftime with me. And again, if you have that down, go back and just do the quick part, the tempo part, okay? Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you guys are able to take advantage of these videos and get better with these steps. All these steps are really, really good to take it to the clubs, take it to the parties, and be able to show off that you know music and be able to enjoy the dance with your friends. All right, guys, that's my time. Thank you very much. Really, really appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.